Okay, so today's emotion regulation skill is problem solving. So I was trying to think of a good example for this skill, and I decided that maybe I'll use COVID-19's second wave as an option. So what the card says is how to problem solve. 1, describe the facts. 2, check the facts. 3, identify your goals. 4, brainstorm potential solutions. 5, pick a solution that fits your goal. 6, put your solution into action. And 7, evaluate the results. So I'm going to use COVID-19 second wave as an example. So how to solve a problem. Describe the facts. The fact is we will probably end up in a second wave, and even though we're all doing the right thing in BC and social distancing and we've had really, really good luck so far, the fact is we're probably going to have a second wave, and that's inevitable. Check the facts. I think that I'm not a scientist, but I think this is pretty obvious. The fact is, for most pandemics, there is a second wave. Identify your goals. So my goal for phase 2 or wave 2 is to stay more connected with my grandma who lives in the States. The borders are closed right now, and I did a really good job of the first month or 2 of checking in with my grandma, giving her a call, making sure she had everything she needed, talking her through if she needed help with like finding somebody to get her groceries or whatever. Truth is, I kind of let that slip about halfway through. She seemed to be doing fine. She had her neighbors getting her groceries. That was all good. And I really should have done a better job of checking in on her. So brainstorm potential solutions. The potential solutions would be to give her a call more regularly. So have a schedule. So like, hey grandma, I'm going to call you every Friday at 3. Or write letters and have some fun sort of like letter writing thing with her. Or maybe teach her how to use a video chat, Skype, Zoom, whatever. That one's a little far-fetched, but we can go with that. Pick a solution that fits your goals. Because my grandma does not like technology, I feel like teaching her how to use Zoom is probably not going to happen. So I think that probably the best solution of the ones that I've come up with, just talking to you right now, is to call her on a regular schedule. So I will set a schedule with her and figure out if I can call her. So put the solution into action. I will call her tomorrow. I can't call her right now. But I will put that solution into action, and if anybody feels like they need to check in on me about this, I am happy to do so. Just send me a message and be like, hey, have you called your grandma? What's your schedule? And then evaluate the results. So I hope to be able to come back and say, yeah, I've been talking to my grandma once a week, once every 2 weeks, whatever she wants. And hopefully the borders will open again and I'll actually get to give her a hug and see her in person. So that is problem solving step by step. Honestly, for problems that are really hard to solve, like it sounds like a simple solution, I would literally write these steps down and say, okay, cool, this is what I'm going to do to describe the facts, check the facts, all of that stuff. So feel free, I'm going to post this on my Instagram as always. Feel free to literally write it down, have it in your phone. You can always copy and paste and fill whatever you need it into. Thank you.